One of the three main ingredients in the Wellness Pack is the powerful antioxidant astaxanthin. We will now meet Dr. Åke Lignell, who has developed a unique cultivation method for this potent antioxidant.
Well, the production starts that we have isolated algae out in the Stockholm archipelago. Thereafter, we take the algae into lab, cultivate it under very controlled and optimized conditions. And down here in Gustavsberg, we scale up the production. So we keep the algae under very controlled conditions. First, we have the green phase, where the algae multiply and we get more and more biomass. And second step is the red phase, where they start to mature and synthesize astaxanthin. And the last phase is where we harvest and dry the algae to get the powder that goes into the capsules. Well, when we take astaxanthin orally, it accumulates in the skin. And in the skin, it helps to neutralize free radicals. And free radicals are formed by UV light, cigarette smoke, and other pollutants. And thereby, astaxanthin promotes a healthy skin by protecting the single cells that builds up our skin.
When it comes to the skin, what's within is really important. So beauty from within is a really important concept. From this model you can see, it's not just the surface, but what's below. That's only about 1 millimetre thick, and light comes in and comes out changed. So keeping the skin down there in good quality, as well as keeping the surface in good quality, is really important for keeping your skin looking good. UV damage, free radicals can really damage this. I mean, if you get that damage, that's when you start to get the wrinkles, that's when you start to get the loss of elasticity. So astaxanthin, a great free radical scavenger, can get up through the blood vessels here into the skin, where it's important for it to mop up the damage that UV light can cause. And it's been shown in a 6-week clinical study that supplementation with astaxanthin will improve the elasticity of the skin, but also reduce the wrinkles, the appearance of the wrinkles. So it's clearly a good idea to have beauty from within via astaxanthin and beauty from without with our great cosmetics.